mean, for those who do not know Somali, I will say it in English. What is between the cities of Borme and Hosingo is prosperous and broken. What is between that is happiness and men executing one another. What is between love and happiness is felicity and high blood pressure. To those who live in the Horn, would God bring upon them what they have not already brought upon themselves? Goodness and prosperous are children with ammunition wired to bicycles. Do we know anything that isn't blood? Do Somali men know anything that isn't blood? The eyes are tired. The eyes are tired. The eyes are tired. And our tears are apparent from distances. God, please accept our supplication. I mean,